Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Today we're going to look at how to use ChatGPT Canvas for writing. So if you're not sure what they are, let's have a quick look. So Canvas is a new interface for working with ChatGPT on writing and coding projects that require editing and revisions. So if you've used ChatGPT to generate blog posts before, you'll probably know that you can't sort of edit it in real time. You can sort of download it and edit it, but you can't sort of quickly edit it. So let me give you an example. Write me a blog post, 400 words on how to make money blogging. So it's going to give you a blog post. But then if I wanted to sort of edit parts of it, I can't sort of like click on it and just edit things right there and then, which can be a bit annoying. You can obviously ask ChatGPT to change bits. But if you want more sort of creative control, you can ask ChatGPT to use Canvas. And then it's going to give you the blog post in this Canvas layout. So from here, you can just copy it if you like it or download it, or you can click on edit and sort of edit bits yourself if you want, or you can ask ChatGPT to add sections in. So something like add more detail in the first section. I mean, you can do that yourself, or you can ask ChatGPT to do it. But it gives you a little bit more control over the editing. You can get it to add or delete bits, go in there and sort of edit bits yourself, which is quite nice. So there you go. That's how to use ChatGPT Canvas for writing. Hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.